Welcome to 28220 Highridge Road, a newer townhouse-style condominium in Rancho Palos Verdes. Come, have a look with me. Open floor plan featuring 10 feet ceiling, hardwood floor, a cozy fireplace which leads to a adjacent dining room with a breakfast counter. Modern kitchen with granite countertop and darker cabinetry along with stainless steel appliances. Versatile downstairs study that is perfect for home office. Convenient downstairs powder room. Upstairs primary bedroom. Adjacent primary bathroom with enclosed shower, dual sink, separate toilet room, and a walk-in closet. Balcony off a primary bedroom featuring views of the city and also Port of Los Angeles. Ample sized bedrooms. Hallway bathroom with shower enclosure. Convenient upstairs laundry closet. The community offers barbecue area, sitting area, small water feature, and putting green for your enjoyment. Of course, Palos Verdes Unified School District is one of the best in Southern California. If you would like to view this property in person or would need my real estate assistance, feel free to reach me. My information is below.